So in this set of problems, they want us to use the sine inverse, cosine inverse, and tangent inverse on the calculator to find the degree of theta. So taking a look here, remember theta is always the corner that you're being asked to find, and it's going to be a degree measurement. So you have to label your triangle based on where theta is. Well, remember, across from the box is always the hypotenuse. Across from theta is always the opposite. So in problem number 1, they're asking us to use the opposite and the hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So that means sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And now, to get what theta is, we would just say that we're going to do sine inverse. Notice the sine goes away from the theta, comes over here to the other side, and is 13 over 19. And so now we can just type that into the calculator, and we get that if we do sine inverse, and it is 13 divided by 19, I got about 43 degrees, but we have to be careful because it says round to the nearest hundredth, so that means that I need 2 decimal places. So 43.17 degrees for problem number 1. For problem number 2, since I have some time here, I see theta is right here. Across from the box, that's the hypotenuse right there. This is opposite, and then this is adjacent. Taking a look here, they want us to use opposite and adjacent. Opposite and adjacent means that we need to use tangent. So this is going to be tan theta is equal to opposite, which is 24, over adjacent, which is 8. So theta is going to be the tan inverse of 24 over 8. So taking a look here, tan inverse 24 divided by 8, and I get that that is about 71.57 degrees. So for problem number 2 and problem number 3, let's see, for problem 3, my theta is right here. This is the hypotenuse. This is the opposite. This is the adjacent. Highlighting the sides that they give me numbers for, I see that we have the hypotenuse and we have the adjacent here. So that means adjacent, hypotenuse. This is a cosine problem. So question number 3 is going to start off as cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 68. So then my final answer for question number 3 is going to be theta is equal to cosine inverse, and then the exact same fraction that we just wrote right there, grabbing the calculator and doing cosine inverse of 53 divided by 68, and doing the appropriate rounding, it is going to be roughly about 38.79 degrees.